Hey everyone, this is Silly Center, and in this video, guys, I'll be showing how you can perform the latest tax on Paws. Okay, so this is it. So the tax is actually for you to just drag it. This 7,000 Paws is for you to just drag your screen. Okay, just swipe it down, but it's kind of fine. So I'll try to use two hands. Okay, so you drag, you see the thing moving. I'll drag first. I use the second. I just keep on dragging. So I'll just keep on dragging, and let me just fast forward this video a little bit. So I will just you keep on dragging till you see TV Paws logo. So we're seeing one right now. So we are left with two. We just keep on dragging. If you were to try to use one hand, I'm not sure the thing will be that smooth, but use two hands. You use one hand to drag, use the second hand to drag. You don't just leave it, because if you try to leave the other one, I'm sure the thing will just pull itself, and everything will restart again. So you just keep on dragging. This is the second one, and we have one more left. One more, and as we keep on dragging, the last one should just show. Where's the last one? Oh, okay, yeah, that's the last one. Just keep on dragging. Make sure you drag like that. There is nothing else to drag again. So at this point we can't drag again, then leave it. And right now you see it says claim, and we can claim it. And if we go back to the home, our balance has increased. So that's how you do the latest stack. And please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and also drop a like if you find this video helpful. Bye. Love you guys.